皆さんこんにちは。茨城オンラインスタディの時間です。この動画は中学校1年生英語デイリーシーン1の内容です。Today's goal is telling someone how you are. Today's lesson has 3 parts. Part 1. Understanding the textbook on page 64 and 65. Part 2. Understanding some expressions for telling someone how you are. Part 3. Making a dialogue that has some expressions from today's lesson. This is part 1. We have 3 things to do. First, listen to Erica and Erica's father. Second, check the new words. Third, understand the content and answer questions. Now, listen to Erica and Erica's father. Here we go.
Erica, how are you today?
Not so good.
What's wrong?
I have a headache.
Take this medicine and take a rest.
Thank you, Dad. Now, let's check the new words. Listen and repeat. Ready? Go.
Today. Today. Wrong. Wrong. Headache. Headache. Medicine. Medicine. Rest. Rest. Dad. Dad. Mom. Mom. How are you? How are you? What's wrong? What's wrong? Take a rest. Take a rest.
Good. Now, please answer these 2 questions. 1. How is Erica now? 2. What is Erica going to do? Listen to Erica and Erica's father again. After that, stop this movie and think. Also, underline the phrases that have the answers. Ready? Let's listen to Erica and Erica's father.
Erica, how are you today?
Not so good.
What's wrong?
I have a headache.
Take this medicine and take a rest.
Thank you, Dad. Okay, check the answers. Number 1. How is Erica? Good. She is not fine. Where can you find the answer? Perfect. She said, not so good. Also, she said, I have a headache. Number 2. What is Erica going to do? Good. She is going to take medicine and take a rest. When can you find the answer? Perfect. Her father said, take this medicine and take a rest. Now, let's read this dialogue. Ready? Go!
Erica, how are you today?
Not so good.
What's wrong?
I have a headache.
Take this medicine and take a rest.
Thank you, Dad. Good. This is part 2. Let's learn some expressions that you should know to tell people how you are. Repeat.
Stomachache. Stomachache. Toothache. Toothache. Fever. Fever.
When you want to use these words, you should use I have a. Look at the 2 box on page 65. These expressions are really useful. Try to use them. This is part 3. Now it's your turn. Please try to make an original skit. These are the rules. 1. You have to write at least 6 sentences. 2. You have to ask someone how you are, or you have to tell someone how you are now. Now, stop this movie and think. After making your original skit, start this movie again. This is an example of an original skit.
Amy, how are you now?
Well, I have a fever.
Oh, really? How do you feel now?
Terrible.
Okay, let's go to the doctor.
All right, Mom. How about your skit? Try to make another skit if you have time. これで茨城オンラインスタディ中学校1年生英語デイリーシーン1の授業を終わりにします。